So we just got a giant snow here in Duluth. I don't even know, probably like at least a foot.
We got over a foot at least.
We got over a foot. I have no ability to, I don't know how to judge snow.
Yeah, there's a lot.
We got a lot of snow, and so we're gonna go do a little snowy hike at one of the local parks here. We're gonna go to Chester Park. So after we go for a hike here, then we're gonna go over to one of the nearby parks, and I think we're gonna try to build a snowman. I think our neighbors were already building like a massive fort, so we're gonna go see what we can add.
God, the snow makes me want to go camping. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Reminds me a lot of when we went, you know? Mm-hmm. Look at that.
That's like a perfect snowball. Wow. This is beautiful.
Look at that.
This is perfect snowman making snow.
Do you think we'll have school or work tomorrow?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not going to do that for for us twice.
Yeah, that's true. It's just so dangerous to get around. If the bus system isn't working, I don't know what I'm going to do.
Well, if the buses aren't working, usually places close down. This is so beautiful. Whoa, like look at the sliver through there. The face? Oh, here, all the birds.
Yeah. I wish you could zoom in.
It's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Wow, look how pretty it's getting. Snow's coming down kind of hard. This is kind of what it's like at Snake Creek down near Winona, where it's just like this, but like just out in the wilderness. And go fishing level 2.
Just a little. Look how beautiful this part is.
What's that noise that people?
I don't know.
True. I don't know. Cool, that's what it is.
No, that's somebody.
This is great.
This is so beautiful.
I wonder what kind of goose like.
Probably looks amazing right now.
Wish we had time tomorrow.
I was just gonna say we could go like tomorrow, but
We can. It takes an hour.
this is what those guys were building. Jack, Coop, Will, Hayden. They wrote their names in here. We've got Hayden, Will, Jack, and Coop.
And then look on it.
Whoa! Scary face.
They did a good job on that though, because
They did.
it's insane.
The heck? He's got five fingers.
What?
He's got 5 fingers. That's kind of scary.
Did you leave it on the video?
Yeah.
I would leave it on video.
I just ripped my pants.
What? What? So we're gonna make 2 snow people and then make them hold hands. You got it?
Yeah. Alright, so we're at the park right now, and we realize that there's no chance that we're gonna find any sticks here for the arms, but
Yeah, everything's buried.
everything's buried. But I live pretty close, and so we're just gonna walk to my backyard. There's a pile of sticks that my landlord has not taken care of, so we're gonna go use those to our benefit now. We got sticks for the arms. These are going to be the smiles, and then I pulled these out of the driveway, and these are going to be the eyes. Here's our snowman.
Pizza.
This one is me, and this one is Ian. And now we're gonna go to Aldi, and we're gonna get the biggest pizza we can find, and we're gonna eat the entire thing. And that's the plan for the evening.